We are now up to 2 possible hypothermia deaths in Multnomah County after last week's bitter winter storm, and another link to cold weather in Clackamas County. At 5, I'm Jeff Gianolo.
And I'm Elizabeth Dinh. Some Portlanders went to City Council for answers today. This morning's meeting was not supposed to be about giving tarps and tents to the homeless, but testimony made it so. Now, some context. 2 weeks ago, Commissioner Gonzalez changed city policy to stop the handouts. Then the storm hit. Today, Portlanders hijacked a session on police accountability.
The claim that denying shelter will help more than it hurts is not data-driven, and it is not humane. I'm coming back to the accountability.
Please do.
Let's see. It's easier when I'm not interrupted. Blankets and sleeping bags don't do a lot of good in the rain and snow without the ability to stay dry, and the idea that you solve a problem like tent fires by making cold people colder.
Now, the rest of that meeting went virtual, and while it's still not clear whether these deaths were among the homeless, that's still being talked about. Our Jenny Young asking whether Gonzalez stands by that ban today. And what did he tell you, Jenny?
Well, Jeff, we asked if he could do an interview because we did interview him 2 weeks ago when this decision was made. His office could not accommodate an interview today, but he does stand by this decision. He says that passing out tents and tarps just fuels the humanitarian crisis.
It was miserable. Body was aching.
Daniel, who didn't want to show his face on camera, lives in a tent downtown. He says he didn't go to one of the county-operated warming centers last week, but says most people who live around him did. Why didn't you go to a shelter?
I don't really have a good reason for that.
He tells me it was impossible to stay warm, but he survived, partially by lighting a fire inside his tent, something he does regularly.
And then you just use like hand sanitizer or rubbing alcohol, and then it lights it, and then no smoke.
What is this can from?
Cat food.
Do you ever worry that the fire that you're lighting inside your tent is going to get out of control?
Oh, absolutely. That's a worry every day. It's happened pretty close a couple times, but I was able to put it out.
While we were chatting, I noticed a fire burning in this tent. Portland's fire marshal says firefighters have been called to more than 1,000 tent fires within the last 2 years. Commissioner Gonzalez, who oversees the Fire Bureau, calls it a dire public safety emergency and announced recently city workers within his bureaus will no longer pass out tents and tarps.
Very late February, we almost now always have an ice storm like this, especially with, climate change seems to be making that worse. And so we know that something like this could happen, and then we're refusing people something that's going to help them survive in these conditions. And
Justice Hager with the organization Sisters of the Road acknowledges that tent fires are a big problem, but believes there are other ways to solve it.
Create more spaces for people to be able to stay warm or to get access to food. We could create places where people are allowed to have fires, where we know it'll be safe, where they're actually being monitored in some way.
Okay, again, we still do not know for certain if those deaths were homeless folks. Commissioner Gonzalez saying in that statement in part that he is committed to working with the mayor and other government partners on transitioning from unsanctioned camping to safer shelter options. Reporting live downtown tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.
All right.